Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to do writing. So you are going to need the chart that you made, and you are going to need a sheet of paper and something to write with. If you don't have those things right now, push pause on the video, go get your things, come back and push play. Okay, are you back? All right. So today for writing, we're going to write about the beginning, middle, and end of our story. And you need to use each word that you've written on your chart to help you write about this story. This just helps us make sure we get in all the important points that we need to tell about a story. Okay? So we've read it a couple of times. And if you want to go back and reread the story to help you remember, you're more than welcome to do that. Just go to Literacy Footprints. Your book should be in your book bag. Click on it, find Ricky's homework, and you can reread if you need to. So we're going to write about beginning, middle, end, and we're going to start off writing about the beginning. That just makes sense, doesn't it? And I'm going to help you do that. Okay? So my first word under beginning is homework. And I remember that when Ricky got home, his mom told him to do his homework before he could play with Buster. So on my sheet of paper, I'm going to write Ricky had to do his homework before he could play with Buster. Oops, Buster's a name. We got to give it a capital letter. All right. See how I used my main word, my detail word, homework, to help me come up with my sentence that triggered my memory, okay, and help me remember what happened first in the story. Well, Ricky had to do his homework before he could play with Buster. Now, notice I have Ricky and Buster both capitalized because when we write names in writing, we have to start with names with a capital letter. This is a telling sentence, so I put a period at the end of my sentence. All right, I'm ready to go on to tell what happens next. My next word is pencil. I remember from the story that Buster liked to chew on Ricky's pencils. So I'm going to come over here to my writing, and I'm going to say what Buster was doing at the beginning of the story. So I'm going to say Buster took Ricky's pencil and chewed on it. All right, there's the beginning of our story. Here's that keyword pencil, okay, to help me write about the beginning of the story. So Ricky had to do his homework before he could play with Buster, and Buster took Ricky's pencil and chewed on it. If you would like to push pause on the video and write about the beginning of the story, you can go ahead and do that now. Okay, push pause, and why don't you get your 2 sentences written about the beginning of the story. When you're ready to move on to the next part, push play and we'll go on. All right, boys and girls, are you back? You have your beginning of the story written about? All right, I am going to leave it up to you now to write about the middle and the end. You should have 5 more words, at least 1 word from each page, to help you form 5 more sentences. You're going to write 2 sentences about the middle of the story, and then 3 sentences about what happened at the end of the story. So when you're all done, you will have 7 sentences about this story all together. Okay? I know you can do a good job. When you're finished writing, go to the discussion page. And just like yesterday, when you uploaded your chart, you're going to take another picture of your writing this time so that I can read it. And you're going to upload it into the discussion page so that I can see your writing. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have a good time writing. And I can't wait to read your stories. Bye.